supportive, very kind and motivative. Thank you, Vipin sir. And all my co-actors. I mean, you are not just the co-actors, you all are an inspiration for me. Legend of Indian cinema, Prem Chopra ji. Then my co-star, obviously. I mean, it's a pleasure to work with him. Beautiful Bruna. So yeah, I mean, I'm very excited. And coming down to my experience till now, I've already worked with Vipin sir in his previous film. So I've worked with in his album. So I knew them from before. And they were very sure that, I can pull the character and I deserve to be where, they have placed me.
Awesome.
So that's how it started 4-5 months back. They auditioned me, they liked me, and they got me. And it's a wonderful platform. It's a wonderful platform. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Sasha. Thank you. All the best. And a couple of words from you about how it is to be associated with the team of people here. And
so as you all know, this is not my first, but still I'm really excited. I love what I do, and I couldn't be more honored to be here with you guys today. I know it's going to be awesome. I want to make this fun. So I'm really excited. I'm really excited to work with such senior actors, and the director himself, Vipin, that put his trust on me for this character, and I am going to give my 100%. I'm really excited. It's just the beginning, so there's really nothing much we can talk about now, but let the journey begin.
Awesome.
Really
all
happy.
the best. All the best. I'm now going to request Mr. Vipin and Mr. Singh to come out, and then we'll go on to unveiling the logo of the film. So I'd actually like to ask you how is what I asked them, and a question for the cast of the film in general is, how is it that
Just covering people.
how is it to be associated with this group of
It's
people?
wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. I'm very glad to be here. Why? Because the whole team is so much involved, and that is very important when you make a film. That everybody is very passionate and obsessed with the making of this film. And I'm definitely sure, because of the script that I have gone through and been narrated, this is very, very interesting, very good. वैसे तो आप लोग जानते ही हैं कि मैं कितना शरीफ आदमी रहा हूँ, लेकिन इस फिल्म में मैं ज़रा अलग किस्म का रोल कर रहा हूँ, जो कि मुझे बड़ा एक्साइट किया जिन्होंने, और आप देखिएगा कि ये चेंजेस आएंगी इस फिल्म में, जिससे बहुत लोगों के कैरियर जो हैं वो अलग अलग किस्म की तरफ जाएंगे. वो कहते हैं ना कि जैसे इन्होंने कहा कि वो जाए शमा तो जल सकती है, कश्ती हदे तूफान से गुजर सकती है, अरे मायूस ना होना, इरादे ना बदलना, तकदीर किसी वक्त भी बदल सकती है. तो ये देखिए, ये जो है ये मेहनत का नतीजा होता है. बहुत से लोग मायूस हो जाते हैं कि लेकिन उनको सही ब्रेक जब मिलता है तो उनका भी आगाज शुरू हो जाता है. I wish all the best to everyone, and thank you, all of you, very supporting, and thank you so much for everything.
Thank you so much, sir. We will now like to go on to unveiling of the film's logo. I'd like to call Mr. Bijendra Kala on stage, please, as well. Okay, he's not here with us at the moment. I'd request Mr. Singh and Sir to please do the honors and unveil the logo, please.
Okay. Two people that side, yes. Please. Okay, okay. I see.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. I would request all of you kind people to please stay on because what I'd request now is
वहाँ का एक्सपीरियंस यार आई फील मेरे लिए तो बहुत रियल था और जो हुआ एक फ्लो के साथ हुआ कुछ भी मेड अप तो था नहीं वहाँ पे बिकॉज इट्स अ रियलिटी शो यू नो आई वाज नॉट एक्टिंग इन द शो या फन किया मस्ती की मजाक किया एंड बैक ऑफ द माइंड देयर वाज समथिंग कि यार एंटरटेन भी करना ही है लोगों को चलो अगर कोई लड़ेगा तो लड़ाई में भी एंटरटेन करते हैं यू नो तो वो माइंड में था और यहाँ पे देखा जाए तो जब मैंने सुना फिल्म के बारे में सो देयर इज अ लॉट टू प्ले यू नो सो दिस गाय इज अ कॉन गाय सो काफ़ी खेलता है पूरी फिल्म के अंदर और तो मुझे अच्छा लगा कई किरदारों में आता है तो आई थिंक उसी को यहाँ पे थोड़ा यूज़ करूँगा और उस पर काम करना भी स्टार्ट कर दिया है ऑलरेडी so I'm sure you guys will like it in future when we all will be releasing the film.
Hello, Prem sir. Towards your left.
before we take another question, I'd like to invite on stage Mr. Vindu Dara Singh as well. Yes, please, please come on stage.
Anji,
Mr. Singh, as well as Mr. Morani.
Rani Saab.
Round of applause, please. Anything you would like to say as friends of the team? Mr. Morani, for instance, any words that you might have for the team, for you know, wishes or...
All you need is a good vision and hard work. I think the team has done fantastic. They're loving the script, and I would like to congratulate all of them and wish them all the best. Also, it's Gautam's first film. I think everybody's looking forward to see him. He's a massive craze these days. So, and I think he's signed 3 films with Balaji. This is the 4th, and another few films he's looking at. So I think wish him all the best, and all of you all the best. Thank you so much.
इस फिल्म का म्यूजिक मैं आपको अश्योर करता हूँ कि बहुत अच्छा म्यूजिक आपको पसंद आएगा और गाने हिट होंगे इसके सारे. We have already recorded the music, but today we don't want to disclose. And on this music we have worked for the last 8 months, and very nice music, very soothing music, even foot tapping music you will find. I can assure you, you will all like this the music of this movie.
हेलो प्रेम जी, आपने हर
जी हाँ, मैंने हर किस्म के रोल किए हैं. अभी ज़रा ज़्यादा ही शरीफ आदमियों का रोल कर रहा हूँ, तो मुझे उम्मीद है आप इस रूप में भी मुझे एक्सेप्ट करेंगे. आप पिक्चर डिपेंड करती है कमर्शियली जब सक्सेसफुल होती है तो हर एक्टर, आजकल तो लोग इस कदर हो गए हैं, दे आर अवेयर ऑफ the performances and they do not differentiate or they do not typecast a certain actor. He is playing a bad man, so he will always be a bad man. If the same bad man plays a good role, good man's role, and his performance is very convincing, so they accept it also.
आज के विलन जितने भी आ रहे हैं बॉलीवुड में, उनके बारे में क्या राय रखते हैं? जिस तरह की इमेज बॉलीवुड में है विलन्स की आज के दौर में.
आज के बाद
आज के दौर में विलन्स, जिस तरह के विलन्स आ रहे हैं, आप उनके बारे में क्या राय रखते हैं?
कौन से डॉन्स?
विलन्स, हर तरह के विलन्स जो भी हैं.